Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tony G. I'm a fashion curatore. I've been looking after people's personal needs in clothing for the last 30 years. And today I'm going to give you an inside secret that I have that it's probably my favorite thing, which is a vest. And a lot of you guys don't wear vests. I'm going to show you 3 ways. Actually, I'm wearing a wet vest now. 4 ways how to wear vests. And I'm going to show you, to start off, I have this beautiful suede, quilted, cashmere lined with a hoodie, removable vest. So this is nice for, if you're in a cold weather, it's very, very warm. I'm going to wear it with a nice navy blue jean, very similar to the jean that I'm wearing now. And I'm going to put underneath a beautiful cashmere sweater. The cashmere sweater has a little trick underneath. It's got beautiful suede line and it has a little suede vest attached, which is just a detail. It doesn't come off. So this is going to be outfit number 1. And afterwards, I'm actually going to wear all of these outfits to show you, okay? So this is number 1. For if it's cold, very cold weather, this is perfect for you. And with that, I'm going to show you a pair of boots that I'm actually going to show you to wear with all these things. It's a crocodile boot done for winter with a beautiful winter sole, right? Fantastic sole. So in case it's snowing outside, that's a perfect boot. Okay? You might bear in mind, you're going to use the boot for almost everything and the jeans. So vest number 2. This is a cashmere with the goose down. This is dark green or forest green, again with the hood. The hood can be removed. Very, very soft, right? Underneath that, we're going to put a beautiful merino cream turtleneck. And with the same thing, we're going to use the classic navy jeans and the boot with all these outfits, right? There you go. That's outfit number 2. Right, so we got number 1, number 2. Last, something a little lighter, and you probably see me wear them. This is another vest. It's just a nylon vest, tech fabric, with a little bit of quilting. This is navy. And I'm going to wear it with a wool hoodie, just like this, right? And again, I'm going to put the navy blue jeans underneath here and the same boot. So stay tuned. I'm going to wear all these things and you're going to see what they look like. Just stay tuned. I'll be right back. Thank you. So as I explained to you before, this is the first outfit. Here's the vest, all done up. Very, very nice. Wearing with the nice boots, the crocodile boots. They're beautiful. Look. And now, you have that. This is super warm, by the way. So if you're living in a cold climate, this is perfect for outside, right? You undo the jacket, you still have a beautiful cardigan underneath with a beautiful vest, and absolutely warm. So this outfit is fantastic to go anywhere when it's cold. So stay tuned. Now I'm going to show you the second outfit. I'll be right back. Here we go. This is outfit number 2, the beautiful green loaded vest, cashmere lined with the hood, right? Again, with the same jeans, the same boots, a beautiful white waffle turtleneck in merino wool. So this could be worn not in the real cold, but if let's say, I don't know, if it's 0 degrees, +5, +4, you can wear this out, no problem, just like this. It's nice and warm. And now stay tuned, I'm going to show you the last outfit. Okay, this is the third outfit. So this vest is a lot lighter. You can wear it almost anywhere. It's probably for, I would say, 10 degrees, right? Because the sweatshirt is quite warm. It's a beautiful merino fleece wool, very, very warm. It's got a nice look. The hood is there. It's got the strings. Again, I'm wearing the navy blue jeans with my crocodile boots, right? And this is the final outfit. So you see, there's 3 ways, actually with the leather vest I showed at the beginning, 4 ways to wear vests in many different ways. and you could probably, you know, mix them up, right? So here I'm back to wearing my blue vest, my white t-shirt, and we're talking about the versatility of this vest. Today, for example, this is how I came to work. I wear a sport jacket, my sport jacket, navy blue blazer, right? And I came to work like this. So this vest that I showed you, the last vest, is so versatile. You can wear it under your sport jacket, you can wear it underneath on top of sweaters. I recently went to the hot country. I wore it with a short sleeve t-shirt. So these vests are crucial in your wardrobe. I hope you love the video. Stay tuned. Make sure you follow me. Thank you.